video if you'd like to see how I make chocolate chip cookies. Please watch the video till the end. Okay? So guys, for the cookie, I'm gonna be using a stick of butter, which is equivalent to 4 ounces, which is half a cup. Half a cup of butter, 4 ounces. And I'm gonna be measuring half a cup of light brown sugar and half a cup of granulated sugar. So I'm using the cane sugar I have left here, light brown sugar. Alright, that's half a cup. And then the granulated sugar. Half a cup. And guys, you can so half a cup of the light brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. And you could work the butter is room temperature, okay? You could use your hand to cream it, but I want to go really fast, so I'm gonna use my hand mixer. That's all you need to do, half a minute or 1 minute of the hand mixer. But you know, using your hand, then it's gonna take a while. And then I'm gonna add an egg. I'm gonna add an egg. And vanilla. So guys, I have a teaspoon of this Madagascar vanilla. I like this vanilla. 1 teaspoon, and the egg I'm gonna add. And I think I'm done with this now. So about 2-3 minutes working with the hand mixer, or if you want to do it by hand, it will take you a while to cream your sugar and butter. And then I'm going to work with the dry ingredient. Now guys, I'm going to be sifting 1.25 cups of flour. And see what I mean when I say your flour needs to be leveled off. I use the knife and level it off. So that's 1.25 cups flour. So now guys, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And cornstarch ensures that the chocolate chip cookies stays soft on the inside. So a tablespoon, and then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. So half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And sift it through. So guys, the dry ingredient has been measured out, and we broke down the granules on the by creaming through the creaming method. granules of the sugar. So now it's time to add the flour, the dry ingredient. So that's a 1.25 cups flour with all the other dry ingredients that I measured. Your oven should be preheating at 350 degree, and then I'm gonna reduce it to 325 when it goes in the cookies. And then I have 2 chocolate chips here. I have the pure semi-sweet Chippets, and I also have milk chocolate, and I'm gonna put 1 cup of chocolate chips. So I'm gonna put like half of each kind. One is milk and one is semi-sweet. So then you fold in the flour with the mixture here. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? And like, share, and leave a comment down below. And now I'm gonna add the Chippets. I'm gonna measure out half a cup. So guys, this is half of the pure semi-sweet chocolate. And now let me put half of the milk chocolate. Make a cup. And if you like, you could put 1.5 cups of chocolate chip. But I'm putting only a cup. And then you work that in. So if you like a lot of chocolate, guys, chocolate chips, then you could also add another, 1/4 to half a cup. Yep. And then we're gonna turn this out on a baking tray. So let me prepare my tray, and your oven should be preheating at 350, but I'm gonna bake at 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. You could roll it in your hand, but I rather scoop it up. So if you don't want to touch the cookie with your hands, the cookie dough, then you use the ice cream scoop or a spoon and give them some space. So when they start spreading out, they have space. That one I think would get some more, guys. So guys, you could let me try the last one. You could roll it up in a ball in your hand like this if you want to. Right? As well as you can just scoop them on like that, the way I did. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on And I'm going to put them in the oven. The oven is preheating at 350 degree, but then I'm going to turn it down as soon as I put them in to 325 degree for about the next 15 minutes. I look at them, 10-15 minutes, and yeah, give it about 19 minutes, 20 minutes the most. So guys, while the cookies are still baking, just a few more minutes and they're done. I'm just trying to see if give you a bit of a bonus here. See if I remember how to make a doily. Let me see. I don't know if I'm getting it right here, guys. That maybe. Guys, let me see if I pass or I fail. I'm gonna cut this tip, so I cut the tip off, and let's see. There. Okay. So let me fold it again. Cut this piece off. And let me see here. Guys, I don't remember how to make a doily. Okay. I don't know if am I holding it up for you to see, guys? Maybe not. I don't know if I had it positioned right in the camera. I don't know if I passed or failed, guys. Okay. Looks like I did something, but I need to cut the edges. Okay, I need to cut the edges. So let's say that's the plate. So maybe I can cut here. Maybe I cut too much. Maybe I spoil it, guys. Smooth the edges out and open. Let's see how well I did. Not too bad, right? Right, guys? Not too bad, but my edges are too big. I should have a pencil, guys, to mark it out. As am I in view for you to see. And then I'm gonna make a proper doily for you to see, paper doily. So I think 2 more minutes, guys, and I'm gonna check this cookie. 2 more minutes. More minutes will be 15 minutes, so 15 to 19 minutes, and this doily is not the best, but it's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. Okay, let me get a peek at this cookie. So guys, cookies takes anywhere from 15 20 minutes, sometimes half an hour. Okay, this cookie, I let it went for half an hour because I like when my cookies brown, guys. The recipe that I'm working with says until 15 to 19 minutes, but I did let it go some more because I like when my cookie has color. Okay, so now let me take a look here at the cookie. Not bad. See, it's a bit too pale on the outside for me, guys. So so guys, let me taste the cookie here. And guys, I gave this cookie a little bit more than 15 minutes, so you know, give it 15 minutes and then the choice is yours. If you like for it to get a bit more color, then you know, you give it that extra 5 or 10 minutes. But within 12 minutes, within 12 minutes you check your cookie. Okay, 12, 15, 19 minutes, then yeah, your cookie should be ready. It's good. I like it, guys. Look, guys, the only thing is my pan, I needed a bigger pan. Okay, so I could make the cookies spread out some more. Yeah. Also, you could put more chocolate if you like. But the 1 cup of chocolate is good for me. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, a like, a share, and you know, leave a comment down below. And thanks for being here once more, and see you in the next video. These cookies, truly is good. Cookies, I had these cookies baking on the second to last shelf, guys. Okay, most of the time when I bake on the second to last shelf, but it depends on your oven, right? It depends on your oven. You can have them baking at 350 for 12 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, you check on your cookie, and then you will have nice soft cookies. Okay.